we starting?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a beautiful day out here on the Carter's Tiny Homestead. And today, I have a problem. I have this big pile of hay that we got at the feed store.
I think it's called a bale of hay.
Yeah, the bale of hay.
A pile of hay!
It's a pile of hay.
My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama missed your baby. Now I'm back in town on the Carter's Tiny Homestead.
So we got it at the feed store, and I had to put it under here because I need to keep it dry because it's been raining. Right? Follow me, and I'll show you where it needs to go to keep it dry and out of the rain.
Look at our wonderful tree collards. They're doing so well.
So we need it to go in here,
Which is the goat house?
the old goat house. We now use it to house the lawnmowers, but I need to put the hay right up there where that lawnmower is, because that's going to be coming out, of course. But I need to put the hay there. So that way I can empty my wheelbarrow, or is it called a trolley car, whichever one. Really?
I want to see where the eggs are.
Oh. So at the bottom is where the ducks lay their eggs, because the duck pen is back there. So we need to empty that wheelbarrow, David. Here's an idea. Come on. So I have a blue wheelbarrow that that wheelbarrow I like. It has 2 wheels. See, take a look at it. It's from Home Depot. It's the rubber cart, and it has 2 wheels, and it's very easy and light to use. You can put tons of stuff in there and not have any problems with moving. Unlike this wheelbarrow, let me show you this. We have tons of wheelbarrows.
No, we don't. We have like 2 in a wagon.
Well, we had 2 more wheelbarrows, but I gave one to Detroit.
Oh, that's right. We did have 3. Because then I found one.
Oh, and the guy who robbed him.
Oh, yeah, he left that one.
Yep.
We did have like 4 wheelbarrows.
So here's the wheelbarrow that has our feed in it. Now, the problem with this wheelbarrow... Oh, that's another project I'm working on. So the problem with this wheelbarrow is I just got the feed here, and my friend wheeled it back here for me. So now, I need to have David wheel it back there, so we can empty it and put it into the other wheel. We got to empty it into the feed store, into the feed shed, and then take the hay and put it on here. But I was telling David, the problem with this wheelbarrow is it only has 1 wheel. So when you try to balance it, all your stuff falls. See, look, nobody can. Oh!
Don't do it. You're going to hurt yourself.
See, so nobody can really use this wheelbarrow.
Well, here, let me show you how it's done.
It only has 1 wheel.
Here, put it on me. This is why mothers have kids or sons.
So they can use a wheelbarrow? Look, it only has 1 wheel, and you have to balance it.
This is why mothers have sons.
So annoying to have just 1 wheel on it. I don't understand the concept. Whose idea was to put 1 wheel on it?
It's for mobility and agility.
Well, it's 1 wheel. Look, you're losing it.
I am. It's happening.
You're losing it. Look at this. You see it have? Oh, you see it has 1 wheel, which is not a very sturdy wheel.
Oh my goodness! How do they balance it?
How do
be
you
running on like?
How do you balance a wheelbarrow?
Ah! Ah!
Whereas this little cart I have.
Dang it,
Which-
it's muddy back here.
So is this one called a wheelbarrow because it has 2 wheels? And I think a wheelbarrow only has 1 wheel.
You know, what are these?
Pellets?
I know. Why do you choose these favorite light layer pellets?
Because the chickens like it. They don't like the grain. I mean the mashed ones. What do you call it? It's not the crumble. For some reason they don't like crumble. They like, why do all my chickens like crumble? I don't know. I don't like crumble. They have a problem with it. They say to me, hey, don't feed me that crumble. So sometimes I mix the crumble if that's all I can find. Oh, and then my chickens like to eat Walmart brand food. They don't like the pet store food. Isn't that so crazy? How do they even know the difference? But they do. When I feed them the pellets from the feed store, they let it go to waste and won't eat it. I give them this Walmart bag of food, they eat it. They eat it like snack cakes. They just snack, yum, 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 yum. It's like they're eating, and laying, but don't give them anything good. Don't give them the expensive brand of food. It's like giving somebody Oscar Mayer bologna and then giving them Bar S bologna. That's the difference.
Now that I'm thinking about it, how come I didn't do my curl ups?
Really?
Dang it. All right.
Now we're going to take the hay. Well, you can't leave the hay in front of the door.
I'll move it over there, but...
Now he has to take... Oh, look at... We're getting blossoms on the peach tree.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, we're going to have...
That's going to be so beautiful.
This is the peach tree we bought last year from Green Acres.
Oh, it's surviving.
It survived. It survived us. So I put some coffee grounds and eggshells because Lead Farmer 73 on his YouTube channel, he said he feeds his plants, his trees, he feeds them coffee grounds and eggshells all the time. He just says he just does it. So I'm going to try that too and see what happens. Oh, that looks heavy.
It's not really heavy so much as percolating.
It's awkward. Awkward. Oh.
It's just like moving the body.
Good thing we got our zip ties and tarps. So, yeah, we're going to have to take that tarp with us in case it rains again.
This is a good tarp. This is what I found when I was skateboarding.
He came home with the tarp. I think he collects junk along the street. They think he's some kind of...
Somebody did give me peanuts and water and said, stay warm.
Aw, people are so sweet.
Yeah.
They thought you were homeless.
Fair. I am. I'm like a bird. I want to fly away. I don't know where my home is. I don't know where my soul is. Cause I'm like a bird. I want to fly away.
Oh, good Lord.
I don't know where my home is. I don't know where my soul is.
Goodness gracious.
What a great song! I used to sing that karaoke song at the Lone Wolf in French Lick, Indiana. And the DJ, or the karaoke disc jockey, she always had me sing that song before the night was out. I had one fan.
He was a one-hit wonder. They wonder why they didn't hit him.
You're rude. You never wondered because he was always hitting. Hitting my pride. Hitting my confidence.
What are you doing? David, so you have to pull it down more on this side and then make it go twice on this side.
She's trying to tell me how to wrap it up. She don't know that I'm the one. I got this.
Okay.
I got this. I'm gonna have like a wonton. Maybe a press on.
I've been thinking about a meatball sandwich all day.
We got those meatballs from the dollar store.
And had 3 meatballs in a package?
It would have been your meatball sandwich and it was more than
My
3.
meatballs should have at least 12 meatballs.
On your sandwich, or your bread isn't long enough?
I don't know. I better find some long bread. Because I want a whole bunch of meatballs. I don't want my meatballs just to be skimpy.
You don't want that?
Uh-uh. Bam! And our cart is ready.
Oh, it's probably covered in urine.
No, put that down. Don't put that wet thing on top of my thing.
Oh, it's
This
right
is fine the way it is because this survived the rain. No, we're going to move it way over there to where the grapevine will be starting. But by then this hay will be used.
Ooh, I wanna make
Come on, fool. This is not karaoke night.
Ah, through the grapevine. How does the song go?
Not the way you're singing it. Oh!
That's probably good.
Are you alright?
What are you talking about?
Oh, it looked like you were tumbling.
My mom's dramatic.
Oh! That's where you stopped the video.
Oh, and it started again. It's good. It's so funny. Okay.
Yeah, but just put it right there.
We should cover it with that,
No, it's fine. It went through. Oh yeah, it went through the rain. With those boards on the side here, and it was fine. The wind didn't blow it off or anything.
Scarlet! Because I'm charging the other camera, the microphone died. I'm charging that. Wait, this was...
Yeah, this one is all covered. Throw it on top, and that way it won't. You got to throw one of those boards on top. Yeah, like that. Bam! Now grab your shovel, dude, and let's get to digging.
You want to do this now?
No, I thought we were painting the bathroom.
We are painting the bathroom. But there was something that we were doing in the meantime.
Yeah, I don't know what it was.
I don't know why we were getting that cleared out.
Yeah, why did we do that?
I think we were doing something else.
I don't know what we were doing. I don't know, but look at our beautiful artichoke plant.
Yeah.
So nice.
I Facebook messaged that lady about her artichoke plants. We should get a bunch of them and line them all right there together.
I wish I liked artichoke.
Someone else does.
Yeah, some other people like it. It's not that I don't like it. I don't like the heat that it brings. We have to boil it for 17 years. You have to boil it forever. So you gotta like boil it outside or something, I guess.
Why? Why don't you put it in the pressure cooker?
Oh, yeah, because I didn't used to have a pressure cooker. Now I do. Here's our onion field. Onion field. Well, those are leeks.
I eat them like green onions, though.
Yep, these are green onions.
I'm not really concerned about it. It's really delicious, actually, because it's like pungent. Like when you want something sharp, it's good.
Oh, well, I wonder why we don't plant onions.
We had onions, but
What do we do with them?
they were like right there. Remember those onions that we planted?
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're still there. Oh, those will come back.
I don't remember that we had onions.
Remember we put 4 of them in the ground?
I thought we put garlic in the ground.
We did. No, that was garlic after. We did those 4 onions when we did the tomatoes.
Oh.
All right.
All right. What are we doing?
Oh, we're gonna go paint.
It's been serving its duty in here. We've been using it for planting and filling out Scarlett's bed. Perfect place to put it. It's nice and dry. Oh, look, we got eggs. These are our duck eggs. Ooh.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.